my dear students, welcome back to your online class. We will start today with the remaining part of chapter number 6, that is subject verb agreement. That means the subject must agree with the verb. If it will be singular subject, verb will also be singular. If there will be plural subject, the verb will also be plural. Right? So we will do now with question number C, that is page number 41. So the students is waiting for the lunch break. Is this sentence correct? No, it is written students, plural. Then how it will be is? We have to write what? Are or not. So you have to correct it and rewrite the sentence. The students are waiting for the lunch break. So now it is correct because students, then we have to also write plural verb. Okay. Now Sania Mirza play tennis. So this is name of one girl. Okay. That doesn't mean that two girls are there. Okay. This is the title, Sania Mirza play. Play will be what? It is plural or not? One person, singular person, then the verb will also be singular. So how we will write? So now it is correct. Sania Mirza plays tennis. Okay. Play is used for plural subject. Plays for singular subject. So one person, that is why S. Understood? So now number 3. My grandparents always visits me on my birthday. So we are talking about one grandparent. Not only grandfather or grandmother, both. That means grandparents. So two persons are there or not? That means we cannot write here S. Can we write? No, this is used for singular. So what we have to write? My grandparents always visit, not visits, because there are two persons. Now it is correct. Visit me on my birthday. So in the similar way, you will do the remaining one. Okay. So what you have to check here is, you will check first the subject, like number 4, parul. So you will check first the subject and after that the verb, like have is there. So we know that with parul, one person, we never use have. We use what? He, she, it. What we use? Has. Right. So in similar way, you have to do the remaining one. What you will check? The subject and the verb. Both you will check and you will correct it in your book. Okay. Question number D, page number 42. Arohi has made this posters for Dental Health Week at her school. So two posters are made by Arohi. Okay. Poster A and poster B. She has to speak about the posters in class. Help her by ticking the sentences in which the subject and verb agree. So it is poster A and poster B. Okay. So first one, number 1. What is given? Poster A show what is unhealthy for our teeth. Number B, poster A shows what is unhealthy for our teeth. So we know that poster A is showing what? It shows what is unhealthy for our teeth. Right. Now, which sentence is correct? Can you find any different thing here? Yes. The verb is what? Different. It is written what? Show and here shows. Show, shows. Which one is correct one? A or B? There is only one poster, poster A. We are talking only about poster A, not poster A and B, both. Both then okay, shows. But if it will be one, then what we have to write? Shows, right? So B will be the correct one. You will tick mark. Okay. So now number 2. Sugary things is bad for our teeth. Number B. Sugary things are bad for our teeth. So if it will be sugary things. Things is there or not? So what we will write? Is or are? We will write are. Right. So which one will be the correct one? 2A or B? B will be the correct one. So in case of B, you will put what? Tick mark. Okay. Same way you try. You have to see the subject and verb. If the subject agrees with the verb or not. Okay. So same way you try 3, 4, 5, 6. We will also discuss this in June class. So now question number E, page number 43. Your teacher will read out the dialogue, listen and circle the correct words in the brackets. So you have to circle the correct one. You know only in case of simple present tense what we use with he, she, it. Obviously we use S, right, with the main verb. So that you know only. Okay. So you know only where you will find, that is on page number 103. First I will read the dialogue. Frank, hello. Amrita, why do you look so sad? So here we come to know that Frank asks Amrita why she is sad. So it is who is asking? Frank. Okay. Why do you look so sad? So Frank asks, it will be asks. Okay, as we have to write. Okay, because there is only one person. Alright. Now Amrita. Hello Frank. I fell down and hurt my elbow. So here now Amrita, she says what? That she has hurt her elbow. So you will write say or says. One girl with she, what we use, S or not. So you will circle S. Okay, in same way you do 3 and 4. So this is the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood, and also we will discuss this in detail in June class. Okay, so thank you everyone.